Recently we travelled down to Beacon Cove in Port Melbourne to have a look at a job that we installed back in 2018, April 2018, for the City of Port Phillip. It was a compliance project and we did extensive work along there with our Tactiles, and it was on timber boardwalks and decks, but also varying concrete surfaces. So the purpose of the visit down there was to see how our tile is performing long term. It's really important to us as a company to ensure that our products are performing over time and see what we can do to continue to develop them so that they improve and become even better. So we went down there, we had a look at the tiles. The yellows are still vibrant, the whites are still crisp. We did luminance contrast testing just to see how it stacks up as far as regulations go, and we had a solid pass on all surfaces. The obvious thing that we needed to confirm next was the wear. How was the wear and tear going with the product 8 years in? This is a really busy corridor. It's used by walkers and runners. Everyone gets down there. It's a really busy place. So to inspect the tiles, the signs of wear are minimal. There is no sign of chipping edges or cracking. The material isn't delaminating. It is a great outcome. So as far as the community goes and the people that they're in to support and look after, they will keep servicing the community for a long time to come. And looking back, the investment that the council put in, they've made a great decision, and it's a long-term fix which keeps us all safe, and they also look great.